What is space? This is the question that revolves in our mind when we think about our living. In simpler words, space is the universe in which we live. But in science, space is basically a perfect vacuum nearly void of matter. From our earthbound perspective, outer space is most often thought to begin about 62 miles, 100 kilometers, above sea level at what is known as the Karman line. This is an imaginary boundary at an altitude where there is no appreciable air to breathe or scatter light. We have looked at the basic concept of space. Now let's discuss about the future of space exploration. Humans have always looked at the heavens and wondered about the nature of the objects seen in the night sky. Many technologies had been used for this purpose. Now is the future of a modern technology known as space elevators. Space elevators are a revolutionary concept that could transform space travel by providing a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to traditional rocket launches. The theoretical transportation device is designed to transport payloads from Earth to space without the need for costly and complex rocket propulsion systems. Next is the concept space nuclear propulsion. Nuclear thermal propulsion uses a fission reactor to heat up a liquid propellant, such as hydrogen. The heat converts the liquid into gas, which expands through a nozzle to provide thrust and propel the spacecraft. One of its main advantages is that space flights would need to lift less fuel into space, and the NTP engines would reduce trip times. A trip to Mars would be reduced by 25% compared to traditional chemical rockets. Moreover, reduced time in space also means a reduced exposure to cosmic radiation for astronauts. The main companies that are working for this purpose are NASA, ESA, ISRO. In the short term, according to Ad Astra, plans are to use the Vasimer engine for a wide array of high-power applications, from solar electric energy in cislunar space to nuclear electric energy in interplanetary space. In the longer term, Vasimer could preclude future fusion rockets which are still in the conceptual stage.